Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy is here with D-Tube, Steam It and Steam. This morning my husband and I went to our son's school because we had breakfast, family breakfast together. And my 5 years old, he grabbed a muffin and it was, the color was brown. So my guess, it was brown sugar with banana and chocolate chips. And he truly enjoyed that one, and he asked me to bake that one, but I told him maybe today it's cookies instead muffin, because we just made muffin the other day and I don't want them to get bored with muffins, although my boys, they love muffins so much, be it for breakfast or after school snack. Anyways, today I did have ripe bananas to use up, so yeah, I prepared them. Oopsie daisy, chocolate chip cookies. Can you see? A lot of chocolate chips. I like to think the cookies is on the healthier side because I use oatmeal and brown sugar, and also banana. So yeah, it's on the healthier side a tad. I also use monk fruit sugar in the mixture. You can use stevia or granule stevia, or maybe Splenda if you like it, or other low calorie sweetener, or you can use regular white sugar, it's okay. I just want to use up my monk fruit sugar. So yeah, they are pretty good, they are pretty easy. Oh, look at that chocolate, still melting. They weren't baked not long ago, so the chocolate's still soft. Yeah, just check the video, they're pretty easy to make. Maybe takes about less than an hour from beginning to the end. And I'm sure you're gonna love this because we love these cookies so much. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. So to make these chocolate chip cookies, we will be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, generous pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or any other starch you have, like tapioca starch or potato starch, you can use them as well, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 ripe banana that we will be mashing them very smoothly if you can, 1 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. Over here I have 1 cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of stevia monk fruit sugar or stevia, whichever you prefer, or regular sugar is fine as well, half cup of almond butter. You can use cashew butter or peanut butter or peanut-less butter. That's the one that the school usually use, peanut-less butter, to make peanut butter sandwich. That will be half cup, and vegan margarine for quarter cup, and 1 teaspoon Mexican vanilla extract. As these cookies will be made because my husband wanted chocolate chip and banana and brown sugar with muffins, and the top of the muffins had oatmeal. I'm gonna add a package, I think it's 60 grams of instant oatmeal with maple and brown sugar as the flavor. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. So again, it's flour, cornstarch or any other starches you have at home, and baking soda with a generous pinch of salt. We want it sweet but also have that a little salt kick, so and make a center. And then we're gonna add the Quaker. It's with maple sugar, brown sugar and maple. Just mix it a little because we're gonna mix it to the wet ingredients soon. We're gonna beat the wet ingredients, so to say. They're not really liquid, but these are all wet. you want to mix it until combine all freely. The smell of the vanilla mixed with almond butter is really heaven. Once the wet ingredients mixed and combined, we're gonna add in mashed banana, and then we're gonna mix it again. I have some banana stuck on my finger. You want to scrape down the side and beat it one more time, because often the side is not really combined yet. Our wet ingredients ready. We're gonna add in the dry ingredient a little at a time, and we're gonna mix it until just combine. You don't want to over mix the batter, just combine. When the dry ingredients all added to the wet ingredients, again mix it just to combine. Add in the chocolate chips, and you want to fold it again. For the vanilla, what I use is Mexican vanilla, but you can use any vanilla extracts you have, like Madagascar or vanilla bean paste or artificial vanilla, whichever you have. At the moment I have the Mexican vanilla, so I am using that. I use ice cream scoop or cookie scoop, and we're gonna drop about 1.5 scoop per cookie. 1 for smaller cookies, 2 for larger cookies. It's all up to you, okay? You can leave the batter as is, or you can press down a little with a backup spoon or fork, or even glass bottom, just a little bit. And then you want to bake the cookies at 350 Fahrenheit preheated convection oven or regular oven. I'm using convection oven, so it will be about 10 minutes, while for regular oven maybe 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll see you later. The cookies are golden brown at the edge. It's still gonna be soft, so you want to cool it on the tray before you move it to the cooling rack. Cool it on the tray, leave it like for 5 minutes before to the cooling rack.